In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your content, save your styling, and duplicate important pages for backup and reuse. If you're preparing to move your site, create a backup, or simply make sure your hard work is safely stored, this is a very useful process to know. We'll be covering three simple tasks: exporting your site content, saving your custom styling separately, and duplicating key pages so you can preserve important layouts and designs. To begin, go to your settings area. From there, open Advanced and then look for Import, Export. Inside that section, click Export. This will generate a WordPress XML file that contains your text content and your pages. This export is helpful because it gives you a portable version of your site's core content that can be imported later if needed. Keep in mind that this type of export is mainly for content structure, such as pages and written material, so it's a good foundation for backing up the site. Once the export has been created, save the file somewhere easy to find, like a dedicated backup folder on your computer or cloud storage. It's a good idea to name the file clearly so you can identify it later without confusion. Next, save your styling. If you've added any custom CSS to personalize the appearance of your site, that code should be copied manually into a separate external document. This is an important step because custom styling may not always be preserved in the same way as your page content. Open your custom CSS area, copy all of the code carefully, and paste it into a plain text document or another safe file format that you can access later. Make sure the document is saved properly before moving on. As a helpful tip, try labeling that file clearly as your site's custom CSS backup. That can save time later, especially if you ever need to rebuild or troubleshoot the design. Finally, duplicate any important pages. For pages with vital designs or layouts you want to preserve, click the gear icon for the page and then choose Duplicate Page. This creates a copy of the page,